Guys, I am Nerulia. The waterfall. This place was taken in the Tamil movie.
Devadai Kande.
Devadai. Tamil
Devadai
movie.
Kande.
Devadai Kande movie. From here they take in Sanasi movie. Now I am here. The same place. Very beautiful. Waterfall. Look. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, very beautiful waterfall. Wow, 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 wow. The Indian government is donated for the 500 houses, the tea estate people, Tamil people. The Indian government was supporting from here. A lot of houses, housing board. So beautiful. You குளிக்க முடியாதயா? குளிக்க முடியாது. Meenakshi temple in Sri Lanka, Nerulia, near the waterfall. இது ஒரு தமிழ் உலகம். நிறைய தமிழ் மக்கள் வாழ்கிற இடம் இது. ரெண்டாவது ஜப்னா. ஜப்னாவுக்கு அடுத்து இங்கே நெருலியாவில் ரொம்ப தமிழ் மக்கள் வாழக்கூடிய இடம் இதுதான். நெருலியா. What is the name of the waterfall?
Dunsinane waterfall.
Dunsinane waterfall. Yeah. Look at the temple. The city called Pundalaya in Nerulia. This is all the Tamil people are living here. This is Tamil ulagam, same like a Jaffna. Pundalaya, a lot of Tamilians living here. Beautiful city. Wow, wow, wow. See this hotel in the Pundalaya city, Nerulia. It's a nice hotel near the waterfalls. This is the hotspot, Pundalaya city. Nice hotel. What is the hotel name?
Sernimo.
Huh?
Ecorest.
Ecorus. Hotel is Ecorus. Oh, hello, Bilam Petro. Wow, beautiful restaurant. Very nice restaurant. Per hour. என்னையா இந்த ஹோட்டல் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி பேர்?
Sernimo Eco Resort.
செரனிமாய்?
Sernimo Eco Resort.
செரனிமாய் எக்கோ ரிசார்ட். செரனிமோ. ஓகே. Hi guys, I'm Serenimo Eco Beach Resort Hotel. I have a coffee today evening. It's close to Nerulia. I came to the waterfalls, the temples. It's a nice hotel. I have a coffee. This city called Pundale, Sri Lanka. The Dodi shop. Look at the local Dodi shop. Hi guys, this is Nerulia, the viewpoint. Look at the city. Market and vegetables. Hi guys, I'm arrived in Nerulia city. This is a Gargil's supermarket. There is a mosque. Coffee Center restaurant. Wow. This is a liquor store in Nerulia. என்ன எடுங்க